Hi everyone, so my name is Chirag Kataria and we are today going to discuss about the risk planning. These are the topics that we are going to touch. What is the project and what are the different type of risk, and we will also discuss about the impact table and heat map. The Big Adden Hotel is offering various kind of facilities like accommodation and dine-in for food. So it is expanding towards offering other services as well. The main concept they have focused on is building the water park. This idea was basically selected from the using various techniques like brainstorming, six thinking head tools, and this idea is to cater the diverse audience. This will not only offer them the luxurious restaurant vibes, but as well as the vacation spot. Now, discussing about the project priorities for this. The project priorities are very helpful at the planning stage, where they set out the clear expectation of the budget, schedule, and scope. Now, uh, taking a look at the matrix, it is very clear that the time is a constraint for our project. The schedule for our project is basically 1 year, and the cost has been optimized where it has been bit increased, but this cost is within the budget of $1 million, and the scope has been bit reduced over here. So there has been a tolerance of bit with the scope. Now discussing about the risk management plan. The risk register identifies all the potential risk, and this risk transfer to the analysis. Now, different type of analysis like qualitative and quantitative are been carried out, and finally the risk response plan has been uh, established, where these following strategies are followed, like mitigate, avoid, transferring, escalating, and retaining. Eventually, the risk has been monitored. The purpose of risk management plan is to identify and mitigate these type of risks at individual level, and this also helps to make an informed decision about the organization and individual level. So overall, it helps to this RMP helps to lessen the risk impact of the risk at individual and organization level. Discussing about the type of the project, this is a strategic type of project where the profitability and revenue are generated in the longer term rather than in shorter term. The risks that are faced by this kind of projects are financial instability, where the project require a huge chunk of money. So this can be a risk to the project, and preference change. There can be a uh, difference in the customer uh, taste, and the demand may be varied. Therefore, it can severely impact the project. Now, the purpose of risk register, discussing the purpose of register is to assess the impact and probability of a risk, and therefore determining the severity of risk. Following are the risks that are in case of bigger and hurdle. The risk that has been identified here is the uncertainty of equipment or equipment failure. The impact table from which the impact rating has been discovered is that this risk, the particular risk, this risk has less than 2 weeks of timeline, and the cost is less than $6,000. Therefore, it has been identified as the very low impact risk rating, and this can be used for the heat map. Where the heat map has the on x-axis, it is very low kind of impact rating, and assuming that the probability for this risk is 30%, so categorizing this risk as the low kind of risk rating. uh, and now discussing about the risk breakdown structure. The RBS helps to distinguish different kind of risk. There are technical risk, management risk, external and operational. So in our case, the project, this risk can be categorized as the technical risk, where there can be the equipment failure, where the maintenance team and engineers could work together and solve and diminish the and then diminish this risk. Following other references that I have been. that I have referred. Thank you.